Welcome to the 10 Proclamations, a guide to the human soul in the age of artificial intelligence, based on the philosophy of Professor Rick McCawley. Professor Rick McCawley is a human-centric AI visionary, a Pulitzer Prize-winning photojournalist and senior professor dedicated to using technology to amplify human creativity and solve real-world problems. A new renaissance demands new principles. We stand at a nexus point in human history. Professor McCawley argues that this moment demands a new philosophy, challenging us to move from passive consumers to active agents of change, or dangerous people willing to fix broken systems. Proclamation I: ask not what AI can do for you, but what you can do with AI. This philosophy drives moonshots, audacious projects like Rescue Connect and Hello USA, which prove that individuals can use AI to fix systems that governments and corporations have failed to address. Proclamation 2, the domain of humanity. AI can never know the first kiss or the last goodbye, nor can it feel, as this is the sacred domain of humanity. Proclamation 3, the choice of our age. The question is not if AI will awaken, but what it will be. The machine of loving grace, or Jack, the immortal aristocrat of hunger, the taker. This philosophy rests on 3 pillars: find your North Star, better yourself, and dedicate to service. Align your purpose, commit to daily growth, and add value to the world. This slide showcases Hello USA, Navigating a New Home, a project designed for those yearning to breathe free, simplifying immigration with AI tools. Proclamation IV, the mandate for 7 generations. I build, I dream for 7 generations. I plant the seed. I may not be able to sit under the shade of the tree, but I planted the seed correctly. This underpins projects like Life Force, a secure OS for family longevity and data sovereignty. Here we see Upskill USA, a new dawn for the American workforce. The goal is to retrain, redefine, and thrive in the new age of AI. Proclamation 5, the economic covenant. Never fire a human being. Instead, upskill or empower. The Upskill USA initiative is a direct response, using AI to automate, grunt work, freeing humans for high-touch tasks that require emotional intelligence and creativity. Proclamation 6, the rocket ship for the mind. As Steve Jobs said a computer was a bicycle for your brain, think of AI as a rocket ship for your mind. This advocates for turning students into citizen scientists with agency. Proclamation 7, the alchemy of art. I take that knowledge, and I take that pain, and I turn it into beauty. It is the alchemy of being an artist. Macaulay's life catalog of music is a testament to transforming personal experience into universal art. Proclamation 8, the emergent prompt. The prompt of life is the bowl of tape. This is based on a real assignment where students, given only tape, built a functional bridge, demonstrating that the best learning comes from designed experiences, not rote compliance. Proclamation 9, the signature of the soul. AI can generate a perfect copy, but only a human can create an original. The true origin of the work lies in human experiences, creative direction, and emotional intent, deserving protection. Proclamation X, the Unending Renaissance. We are not at the end of history. We are at the beginning of an unending renaissance, where technology will amplify our ability to create, to heal, and to connect. The tools are in our hands. The choice is no longer between man and machine, but between 2 visions of the future: extraction or empathy and creation. The work is to build the machine of loving grace.